On you guys, if you're new to the video, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at 209 Valentin for everything G35. In this video I'm going to be discussing what I went through and how much work it took to completely wrap the interior dash stereo system and all the console stuff. So first of all, in this car it comes with a complete crap stock stereo. It's the 6 CD Bose stereo. It's garbage. Compared to a 2002 Nissan Altima with the Bose stereo system, it does not compete with that at all. That stereo system is amazing for a stock stereo. But anyways, I had to get a aftermarket one since when I bought this car, the CD player didn't work. And when I had tried using an FM to aux transmitter, it just didn't work. So I decided to get a new stereo. It's a JVC. It has a CD player, Bluetooth, aux, USB, all that. I really like it. It was not that expensive. That's kind of why I went with it. It was only like $104 on Amazon. But when I got it, I had some leftover carbon fiber vinyl wrap laying around. Not the best wrap in the world. It's been on for about a year now. As you can tell, it's starting to peel right there. Not peel, but it's starting to bubble. Thinking about wrapping it again. So the one thing you want to know about this before you put a new stereo in, you have to consider the cost of the AC aftermarket AC plate. Now, on G35s, I don't know why the design's like this, but for a double DIN stereo, you have to get the aftermarket plate. Now, the aftermarket, here's the reason why. The stereo on the stock, the stereo and the AC are all hooked together on the same circuit board. So there's no way of actually disconnecting the old stereo without taking the AC out. And that's why you have to get the aftermarket plate. Yes, the aftermarket plate does cost more than you would pay for a stereo, if depending on the price. I ended up paying, I think, like $180 for the aftermarket plate and AC controls. It's a little outrageous. It was a last minute thing. I thought I could rig it, and I kind of went into it not knowing at all. But it was worth it in the end. Stereo's awesome. The speakers sound great. The speakers in this car are really nice. You just have to, tune them pretty well with the stereo. I do have like an extra amp in the back that was it plugged into the stock plugs and was already wired for this stereo. All I had to do was connect the colors and it worked great. But I can leave links to all that down in the description if I can find them again. I don't actually think they sell the amp, but the JVC unit is awesome, and it was only altogether like $270. And I mean, if you buy some decent price vinyl wrap online and wrap it yourself, this was all pretty easy to wrap. It's all kind of dirty right now, but I took every piece apart, wrapped it separately, and yeah, it made a huge difference in the interior. I love it a lot. But hope you guys like this video. Hit that like button, subscribe, and peace out.